Hi there and welcome to the Beatles I Wanna Hold Your Hand play along video. So let's not waste any more of your time. You can see the running order here on the screen. If you want to have a closer look at how to play this song, then click the link in the description to a full lesson there. You can click for a PDF worksheet of the chords and the full running order to the song, so you can play along to it by yourself. Happy strumming, thanks for watching.